Let us see the following examples. Two examples are given, but model of the two questions are same, but the property, the identity what we are using is different from question number 1 to 2. Now answer to the first one, answer to A. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. To solve this question, we have to use one small technique, that is divide numerator and denominator by sin theta. Suppose for example, sin by sin 1, cos by sin cot. Now see, divide numerator and denominator by sin theta. Suppose for example, sin by sin 1, cos by sin cot. I did not get anywhere in the cot. 1 by sin cosecant. Cosecant is not there. That's why my option is wrong. That's why divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. That is, my LHS changes to sin by cos, that is tan theta, minus cos by cos 1 plus 1 by cos secant theta. Similarly, denominator also sin by cos tan theta, cos by cos 1, 1 by cos secant theta. That is, divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. If I divide with the cos theta only, which my numerator is similar to the denominator, RHS. Now let us arrange this one into order. Order means according to the formula identity secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. First I will write secant theta plus tan theta minus 1 by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Now we know very well, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. That is secant theta plus tan theta minus, in place of 1 I will write this one, secant square theta minus tan square theta by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. That is equal to secant theta plus tan theta minus, it is of the form a square minus b square. Therefore I will write this one as a plus b into a minus b whole by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Now from the both the cases I will take the common secant theta plus tan theta I will take common 1 minus secant plus tan, I take the common. Now 1 minus secant plus tan I taken common. Therefore this part is left. This part will be affected with this minus. That is minus into secant theta minus secant theta, minus into minus plus tan theta by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Now see, plus tan theta minus secant theta plus 1, both parts are cancelled. Now The left part is secant theta plus tan theta. Now rationalize the numerator. Now we will continue the process same. Rationalize numerator. Rationalize the numerator, that is secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta by secant theta minus tan theta, that is a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square by secant theta minus tan theta. We know very well secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. Therefore, I got the answer. Therefore, LHS is sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. Hence proved. Now welcome to answer to part B. Write the part B LHS. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1. This is LHS. Now divide numerator and denominator by sin theta. Suppose for example cos by sin cot, yes it is there, by sin theta. Now the question changes to cos by sin. Here you have to write cos sin A. Cos A by sin A, that is cot A. Sin by sin 1. 1 by sin A cosecant A by cos by sin cot A plus sin by sin 1. 1 by sin cosecant A. Now next step, arrange this one in order. What is the meaning of order? According to your identity. Your identity is first cosec. Cosec A plus cot A minus 1 by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now that is equal to cosec A plus cot A minus, we know very well identity, that is cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. This is the identity we have to use. In place of 1 I will use this one, that is cosecant square A minus cot square A by denominator write as it is cot A minus cosec A plus 1, that is equal to numerator cosec A plus cot A minus, this is of the form cosec A minus A square minus B square, that will be a plus b into a minus b by cot a minus cosec a plus 1. Now, from the both parts you have to take cosec a plus cot a common. If you take cosec a plus cot a common, 1 minus this part you collected as a common, then the next part will be affected with this minus, that is minus cosec a minus into minus plus cot a by cot a minus cosec a plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus cosec a minus cosec a plus cot a plus cot a, both the parts are cancelled, that is equal to cosec a plus cot a is left. Now rationalize the numerator, that is equal to cosec a plus cot a into, rationalization means you have to change the sign, cosec a minus cot a by cosec a minus cot a, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square by denominator cosec a minus cot a, that is equal to cosecant square a minus cot square a, nothing but 1, already it is one of the identity, therefore in place of numerator you will write as 1 by denominator 1 by cosec a minus cot a, which is my RHS. Therefore cos a minus sin a plus 1 by cos a plus sin a minus 1 is equal to 1 by cosec a minus cot a, hence proved. Okay, let us see the following examples. Prove that 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. And second question, cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a is equal to 2 secant a. Now let us follow the first one. Given LHS 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator, that is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Rationalize the denominator. In the denominator plus sign is there, therefore in the rationalization part minus symbol will be there. That is, if you observe this one, numerators both are same, that is x into x, x square, like 1 minus cos theta whole square by 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta, that is a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. that is 1 minus cos theta whole square by denominator 1 square nothing but 1 minus cos square theta, that is equal to 1 minus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos square theta nothing but formula sin square theta, that is therefore our numerator is 1 minus cos theta whole square by denominator sin square theta, that is here whole square is there, here sin square theta is there. Now I will arrange this one as like 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square, that is now divide this sin theta to the both, that is 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. From the definition 1 by sin nothing but cosecant theta minus cos by sin nothing but cot theta whole square, which is RHS. Therefore 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Welcome to second category. Second question, LHS given LHS cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A, that is LHS given. Now here LCM is cos A into 1 plus sin A is the LCM. 1 plus sin A get cancelled, cos A left. Cos A into cos A, cos square A plus cos A get cancelled, 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A whole square, that is cos square A plus, open this one, A plus B whole square form, that is 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB whole by cos A into 1 plus sin A, that is arrange this in order, cos square A plus sin square A plus 1 plus 2 sin A by, write the denominator as it is, cos A into 1 plus sin A. We know very well, since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, that is cos square A plus sin square A nothing but 1 plus 2 sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A, that is equal to 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A, that is equal to, in the numerator I will take 2 as a common, that is 1 plus sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A get cancelled. That is equal to 2 by cos A is left, that is 2 into 1 by cos A, that is equal to 2 into 1 by cos, basic definition is secant A, which is your RHS. Therefore, cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A is equal to 2 secant A. Let us follow the next examples. Prove that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus secant theta into cosec theta. Now let us say LHS tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta, that is equal to, the basic definition of tan is sin theta by cos theta by definition of cot is cos theta by sin theta plus the definition of cot theta is cos theta by sin theta by 1 minus tan theta sin theta by cos theta, that is equal to sin theta by cos theta by LCM sin theta into 1 sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta by cos theta into 1 cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. Now, which can be arranged by the formula A by B by C by D is equal to A by B you can write as it is, but C by D can be write as reciprocal, that is a D by C. By using this formula, you can write as sin theta by cos theta into this denominator part will become the reciprocal, that is sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta into the denominator part will become the reciprocal, that is cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Now that is equal to sin theta into sin theta sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta into cos theta cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Now sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. This plus I change into minus. Cos square theta by sin theta into this cos theta minus sin theta. I will change to sin theta minus cos theta. Because of this changing only, I changed this plus to minus. Now LCM is cos theta into sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now cos get cancel, cos theta get cancel, sin minus cos get cancel. Now the left part is sin theta. Sin theta into sin square theta, that is sin cube theta, minus sin get cancel, sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta get cancel. Now the left part is a cos theta. Cos theta into cos square theta, cos cube theta, that is equal to, which is of the form a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to formula a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. This is the formula. Now who is a? Sin theta. Who is b? Cos theta. Applying the both values in the above formula, a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b, sin theta minus cos theta into a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus ab sin theta into cos theta, whole by cos theta into sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Sin minus cos get cancelled. That is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 identity plus sin theta into cos theta by cos theta into sin theta. Now this denominator will be applied to the both the parts, that is 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta by cos theta into sin theta, that is 1 by cos nothing but secant theta, 1 by sin nothing but cosecant theta plus sin get cancel, cos get cancel 1, that is equal to 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta, which is our RHS. 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta, 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. See your second problem. Please collect the LHS. Root over 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Now rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. Now denominator is 1 minus sin A. Rationalization means root over 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A into rationalization 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A, that is equal to root over. In the numerator both parts are same, that is x into x square model, that is 1 plus sin A whole square by your denominator is of the form of a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square, that is 1 square minus sin square A, that is equal to root over 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 square nothing but 1 minus sin square A, that is equal to root over 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 minus sin square A, formula is cos square A, that is equal to root over. In the numerator is having the square and the denominator is also having the square, that's why you have write 1 plus sin A by cos A whole square, square root get cancelled. Now 1 plus sin A by cos A, that is equal to divide cos A to the both the parts, that is 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. 1 by cos A nothing but secant A, sin A by cos A nothing but the basic definition of tan A, that is which is our RHS, secant A plus tan A, secant A plus tan A. Okay, let us see the next problem. Prove that sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Let us consider the LHS. Sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square, that is equal to A plus B whole square form, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB, 2 sin A into cosec A, plus again A plus B whole square, that is cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 cos A into secant A. Now write in order sin square A plus cos square A, sin square A plus cos square A plus cosec square A, nothing but 1 plus cot square A from the identity. Identity number 1, cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Identity number 2, sin A into cosec A is equal to 1, that is plus 2 times 1 plus identity number 3, secant square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A plus 2 into identity number 4 cos A into secant A is equal to 1. 2 times 1. Now that is equal to identity number 5 sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. That is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. 1 plus 2 times 1, 2 plus 1 plus 2 times 1, 2 plus the rest parts are cot square A plus tan square A, that is equal to 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A, that is which is our RHS.